All right, instead of throwing your lawnmower blades away, let's do something else. So I've got this blade removed here, and we're gonna sharpen it up. Gonna do the same to these two. All right, I pulled all three off, labeled each one so I know which side's the top, which side's the bottom, and we're gonna sharpen up. All right, this side was clearly never sharpened, so we're gonna go right here. This is the one that's now dull. You can see that little ridge there. We're gonna just clean that line up a little bit and get this thing to where it'll start mowing better. Get some more life out of these blades. All right, I've got these ready to go the way that I'm going to put them in. So this will be the far left side blade. You can see just right here, got it just sharp enough without taking much meat off. There we go. Just like that. Keep the meat all on it, but just give it a little bit of a point. It'll cut that grass a lot easier now, especially some tall stuff. Cutting it the first time will help keep these blades from going dull. And that's that. Let's put them back on. I was just double and triple checking that all the blades are going the same direction and that it lines up with this blade right here, this sharp part, and that's it. Thanks for watching. Good luck on sharpening your blades, and remember, if you do have to throw away those blades, find yourself a local bladesmith. They could probably use those blades for something over here. So thanks for watching.